I started rebuilding this wall, I kind of wanted to show you some of the stuff that I've been dealing with here on this house. So let me turn you around. So we are going to leave this exterior cladding stuff here. It's in pretty good shape. There's no rot in there or anything. But what I wanted to show you is this window. So if you can see, so there's the header. Okay, the first 2x4 that goes from, well, header to ground is these two here, which would be, I guess, consider your king studs. But if you go down, there's nothing. They have added these 4 2x4s, but they don't even go down to the bottom of the window. I mean, look at the window here. I hope that you can see that in the video there, but it's horrible. Anyways, I'm going to rebuild this wall using what's already there. We're going to pull the window out. We're going to redo the window. We're going to put studs at 16 inches. I can leave two 2x4s and then add 2 2x4s. So like if I'm starting here, that would be 0. There would be a 16 inches, 32 inches, and then the 48 inch 2x would stay there. I'm just going to leave that 2x4 in there, and we're just going to add 2x4s. Obviously we're going to rebuild this window and rebuild the header. We're gonna make it right. So
like a train, you'll hear me coming from 100 miles away. I don't ever remember running as fast as when I'm after you to stay. When I tell you that I promise, that's exactly what I mean. It's you, yeah, it's always been you, and everyone around can see. It's true, yeah, it's a dream come true, that you're the only one for me. And darling, you're proof that we're always gonna make it through. Cause you only wanna be with me, and I only wanna be with you. Oh, yeah, I only wanna be with you. Like a storm cloud in the distance, you can feel me moving in. There's a pressure and resistance I hope we never have to feel again. It's you, yeah, it's always been you, and everyone around can see. It's true, yeah, it's a dream come true, that you're the only one for me. And darling, you're proof that we're always gonna make it through. Cause you only wanna be with me, and I only wanna be with you. Oh, and I said I'd never leave. I'll be standing here beside you till the end of everything. It's you, it's always you, and everyone around can see. It's true, it's a dream come true. You're the only one for me, and darling, you're proof that you're always gonna make it through. 'Cause you only wanna be with me, and I only wanna be with you. Yeah, it's always been you, and everyone around can see that it's true, it's a dream come true. That you're the only one for me, and darling, you're proof that we're always gonna make it through. 'Cause you only wanna be with me, and I only wanna be with you. Yeah, I only wanna be with you. Like a train, you'll hear me coming from 100 miles away.
All right, guys. Well, I've got to a point to where I can't go no more on this wall. I'm waiting on the yellow tape that we got. But let me turn you guys around. So I went ahead and finished out this side here, and I stopped it there because I'm waiting on to do the roof, to do those upper parts. I don't want to create a leak. The roof doesn't leak right now. I don't know how, but it doesn't. But I got the 2 windows, they're ready to go in. I just need to tape everything up, and then we'll move on to the next. Alright guys, update. The dumpster is still not here. The truck that brings the dumpsters broke down, so who knows when that's going to get done and get out here. We might have to go ahead and go with somebody else, but we've done some work. Let me turn you around. We did get our wall done. We did get our windows in. We did get the tape on the outside. It's all taped up and watertight. I did do some more stuff off camera. I came in here and did this back wall here. It was probably one of the easier ones to do, so I got that in there. I fixed that window. And we put a new door in. So that's all done. So what do we have left for exterior walls? Well, we have this wall, which is laundry room, bathroom, and spare bedroom. We have that left, and this other wall here. So not too much more to go on that. But I'll be glad to get done with that and be over with it. Move on to the next. It seems like we're getting closer anyways. But I'm going to go down here. Rain coming. That's supposed to be all week this week. And the wife has talked me into building her wall for the pantry, so I'll be building the wall right here from this side here to over here, and our door will be where that keel's at there to where the tape measure's at there, just to get that done and try to do as much stuff as we can do with the rain coming. So yeah, I'll start tearing this drywall down. You know how much I love doing that. But alright, we'll see you guys next week.